Mistplay marks rewards as redeemed before they actually arrive. So a missing gift card or payout does not always mean it failed. By the end of this, you'll know where to check first, what causes delayed rewards, and how to fix it. The first thing to do is check your reward history. Open Mistplay, go to your wallet, and open your redemption history. If the reward shows as processing, it means Mistplay has accepted the request but hasn't completed delivery yet. That's different from a failed redemption. Next, check your email carefully. Mistplay sends many rewards by email, including gift card codes. Search your inbox for Mistplay, then check spam, junk, and promotions. A lot of users miss rewards because the email gets filtered. Now check the reward provider. If you redeem through PayPal, make sure the correct PayPal account email was used. A wrong email can send the payout somewhere else, or cause the transfer to fail. If it was a gift card, open the provider's app or website linked to that card and check for delivery there too. Another thing to check is account verification. Mistplay may delay rewards if your account gets flagged for duplicate accounts, VPN use, or unusual redemption activity. In that case, the reward can stay pending until the review is complete. Turn off any VPN if you're using one and sign back into Mistplay. Next, update the app. Go to the Google Play Store and install the latest version. Older app versions can fail to display reward updates correctly, making it look like nothing was sent. If your history says completed but you received nothing, contact Mistplay support. Go to Profile, then Support. Send your reward type, redemption date, wallet screenshot, and the email or PayPal account you used. That gives support enough information to trace the reward. Do not redeem the same reward again while the first one is unresolved. That can create duplicate requests and make support slower. So the key fixes are simple. Check redemption history. Search your email and confirm your payout details. Start with your email and reward history first because that solves most missing reward cases fast. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick app fixes.